my channel. I hope you guys all doing well. So today I'm gonna share with you my house tour. We just bought this home 2 months ago. Like 2 months ago we just decided that we'll bought this home, and last month we signed this home, and I share with you guys about going to the new home. So today is the final day. We are going to move to our new home. My house will be messy, but before that I'm gonna share with you this empty home tour. So we don't have anything in the house. It's just my house tour today will be very basic, like the layout. I'm gonna share with you the layout and how my house looks like right now. But of course, after decorating my whole house, I'm gonna share with you in a different video, separate video. And also, if you guys are interested about how I decorate my each and particular rooms, like kitchen, bedroom, my son's room, dining, living room, like everything, like if you want to see something like separate room tour and separate room decoration and how I do or how I'm going to decorate my home, of course let me know in the comment box. But today is the final day that I'm gonna share with you my home, and I'm really excited about going to a new home. This is my first ever home that we purchased, and I'm really excited. I just waited too long. It's just been a month, but it feels like a year. Like I was counting a day as a month. Like it's totally, but I'm really right now. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course turn on the notification bell on, so whenever I upload a video you guys will be notified. Bye.
So we just got our key into our hand and I'm just going to my home. This is just a little sneak peek of the area. Our house is the C number, and this is our house. And this is our garage, like parking lot. We just have one car garage, so of course if we want we can put 2 cars, but we don't need. And this is our front yard. Now it's end of summer and it is kind of cold, but it looks amazing. As you can see, I have no idea what kind of trees and what kind of plants we have in here, but it just looks nice. So yeah, this is the house. I don't have any idea about these plants. So this is the entryway, our front door. My son was very excited. He wanted to open the door for us, and we just let him do that. And when you enter in our home, in our left side we have one bathroom with washer. Like we don't have any separate washing room. We have this into our washroom, so it's fine for us. And then we have a very large closet for our coats and outdoor shoes. It's a huge closet and it's very common in Finland. And then in our right we have one bedroom. So this is a decent sized bedroom. We don't need the large bedrooms. And then here is our staircase, and they have a lot of built-ins, so it's really great. We have so much storage in here. And this is our kitchen, and this is the selling point of this home. When we saw this kitchen in internet, we were fall in love immediately, and this was my dream kitchen. I always wanted to have a large kitchen with very big island. And this is our backyard. We have a very beautiful backyard with beautiful lake view. And this is the dining room. We don't have any dining table yet, but in future we will planning to buy a large dining table. And then here we have separate shower with sauna. And this is the sauna with separate shower. I'm really sorry, it's very dark because the bathroom have a very low light. I don't think that previous owner really need any light, but I don't know why, but maybe we will put some lights in the future. And now we're going to the upstairs. So when you go up, you will find in our right a very huge living room. It's a very huge living room. We don't have any sofa yet, and through the living room we have a very beautiful large balcony. It's a huge balcony with a beautiful view. From here you can see the lake more beautifully. I mean, it looks really great, isn't it? In the future, if we wanna buy a boat, there is so many boat parking in there. And this is our backyard from the upstairs. Still it's so green. And this is the upstairs bathroom. It's just a single bathroom. We have 2 bathrooms and 1 shower cum sauna. And this is our master bedroom. And it's a closet. It's not so big, but it's perfect for us, me and my husband. And then next to our bedroom we have Ihan's bedroom. So there is 2 bedrooms in upstairs and 1 bedroom downstairs, so it's total 3 bedrooms. So this is just a house, guys, I think, and I hope you guys like this video. There is some picture of my home, and yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.